Hello, friends. Every step I'm about to share comes directly from technicians who work daily in this highly experienced appliance workshop, so don't worry, we're going to fix this. Often, this error appears right after a power outage or a voltage spike, and many customers tell us that the treadmill suddenly stopped responding while they were trying to turn it on. Technically, this makes sense because any electrical interruption can cause the console and the incline motor to lose contact, displaying E6 as a safety warning. In other cases, customers notice that the belt doesn't move after opening or relocating the machine, especially if it has been installed recently. This is usually related to a flat cable or harness connecting the motor to the panel, which may be loose or have dirty contacts. Technicians always check these connections first because even a small misalignment can trigger the error code. At the same time, some customers report that the error comes with intermittent beeps, indicating that the machine is trying to alert them to a discrepancy between what the motor should be doing and what is actually happening. It's normal for the panel to lock or for speed adjustments to be unavailable while this problem persists, which is why an internal inspection is key. One of the first actions we recommend in the workshop is a full system reset. Unplug the treadmill for a few minutes and then power it back on. This can recalibrate communication between the panel and motor if the issue was caused by a momentary incorrect signal. Some customers tell us that after this, the treadmill starts working again, although it doesn't always fix deeper faults. When the reset doesn't eliminate the error, we thoroughly check the internal connections and cables. A loose, corroded, or poorly connected harness can prevent the feedback signal from reaching the panel correctly, causing E6 to reappear. Adjusting and cleaning these connections usually resolves many cases, and we always do this carefully to avoid damaging other components. In more complex situations, the problem may lie in the motor or the control board. Some customers report that even after checking cables and performing a reset, the treadmill continued showing E6. Technically, this indicates that an electronic component may be failing, sending incorrect readings to the panel and blocking the machine's normal operation.